let go and just sit like that. Get used to the temperature of the water. Just relax.
Oh, they're jumping.
Yeah, they are. Well, the fish are jumping.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We've been farted on. Corbin.
Yeah.
Say goodbye to TTO.
I already did.
You did?
Yeah.
On the camera?
No. Goodbye, Thousand Trails, Orlando.
You ready for a harvest host tonight?
Yeah. Yeah, I am. We have 2 harvest hosts in a row. Why? What are we doing?
Just look at our spot.
I know, we have a very nice spot.
Right next to where the gators are.
Yep. Did you see those palm trees? Look at how cool their bark is. It looks like a lattice work all the way up the tree.
So we can go check out the bark here. Look at this, Corbin. Fish cleaning station. No guts, no glory.
I'm pretty sure this happens because of age.
Hi.
Hi.
Nothing came out. Hi.
All right.
So we're at a harvest host.
We are at a harvest host. We haven't done one of these in a little while.
No. And this one's an exciting one. It's River Safaris and Gulf Charters in Homosassa, Florida.
It has nothing to do with wine, nothing to do with alcohol.
Yeah, it's a different kind of harvest host for us. But you know what they do? Yeah, manatees. They have alligators. They have pontoon rides, airboat rides. You can rent kayaks.
So like she said, you can rent pontoon boats. You can go on airboat rides. They do them daily. You can do manatee tours. They do some where you just float. They do other ones with snorkeling.
They do other ones where you just view them from the boat.
They have a sandwich shop that's open from 5 a.m. to 2 p.m. And the sandwiches look amazing. They've got a Cuban that I want to get tomorrow.
They have New England clam chowder.
They did?
Yes.
It's very common down here in Homosassa, Florida. So they've got that. And then if you are one of the harvest host folks, or just you're a guest out here, they do have complimentary kayaks that you can just take out in the waterway here.
And they have Wi-Fi.
Which is nice because we need Wi-Fi.
Yep.
So anyway, that's what we're gonna do. Tomorrow we're gonna get up at 7:15. Be there at 7:15. We
have to be there at 7. She specifically said be there at 7.
We're gonna be there at like 6:45. Not at 7:15. That would be dumb. We're gonna get dressed up in our tight wetsuits. I think they have one that specifically looks, it's like manatee color for me, so that I can blend in. And then we're gonna go out to a 4-hour private tour, although there are 3 other people with us.
Right, 6 people per boat.
Yeah.
Private tours were more expensive, so we did the lesser private tour, semi-private tour.
I did a semi-private.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're gonna take you along tomorrow and show you that. Holy smokes. Yeah, there's another one in there somewhere. I saw him when we drove in. That's a good sized gator though. I swear there was another one. I saw a head.
That's Halen.
Van Halen.
The gators are Van Halen. Van's the big one.
And he's the boy.
He's the boy. And Halen, she got aggressive. They were all part of an education program. She was getting a little too aggressive, so the folks here adopted her, or them, and now they live a very comfortable life.
You got a nice little pond and some trees. And
I'm gonna go up to the gator viewing and photo area.
Apparently they have some nice food because they're skeletons.
Yeah, people taste delicious. It is a lot bigger.
Hi, it's me. Not your lunch.
Look, he's looking right at Corbin.
I know. He's like, I love that guy's shirt. Kids get a nice shirt. It's very vibrant.
We can kind of make out the silhouette of Halen. Well, I thought that they said they only have...
It was 4 plus. I think it was 4 plus on the thing.
Okay, so it's 4+ sites, and they have, it's for less than 44 feet long. So we're 41, and so we thought, oh yeah, we're good to go. This place
Well,
is
when
cool.
you have a truck, it's
Yeah, you
makes
gotta
us
add
a
that
bit
in there.
longer.
Oh, right here. Yeah, smoked mullet. I think like that little guy down there.
Swim.
Did
We're
they?
going to swim with the manatees today.
It's early.
Yeah.
Besides the fact that I couldn't fall asleep, I slept great last night.
That's good. I'm glad for you.
It doesn't happen often, but we reserve the right to remove anyone from the water for inappropriate behavior. Parents, you are responsible for the behavior of your children. Your guide will show you what to do, but it is important that you follow his or her directions.
Can you see?
No.
You look cute. Oh, you have a really nice suit.
Wrong way. See this little piece right here?
Yeah.
Grab it and pull up. There you go. Keep going up higher. It'll feel better.
Do you feel
Sexy.
sexy? No?
Not really.
No? You look good, buddy.
How do I look good in this? I feel terrible right now.
You shouldn't. You look like you're very streamlined and you're going to be fast in the water, but you're not because you're going to be slow.
So do you. You look like
I look fast. I look chubby. You want to be here? You want to be in the front?
This is fine.
Okay.
You're setting the bar really high.
I am.
Yeah.
Well, the company is setting the bar very high for Harvest Host.
And then at the end of this canal, we have the famous Monkey Island. Monkey Island was developed in the 1960s. It was a pile of rocks, boats used to hit at dusk and dawn. And then in 1963, after they built this island with the lighthouse just so people could see it, the wildlife park contacted the people that own what used to be Riverside or the Yard Arm, and said, hey, we've got these monkeys, they're unruly, can we get them on this island? They're having trouble keeping them in their enclosures. So on 1963, they threw these monkeys out here, to the second generation of monkeys. Right now we have Emily, Eve, and Ralph on the island. So you want them to greet you nose to nose. So when a manatee comes, and there he is, he's in front of us, everybody put your hands on your noodle, and let the manatee do all the work, okay? We have all the rules, manatees have no rules, remember that, okay? So we want to be patient with the manatee, make sure the manatee is comfortable with us, and then everybody can get a good feel for him. And then at that time, what you want to do is you want to touch the manatee, pull away. Because we don't want to change his behavior. If he's not truly interested in us, he may leave. And that's what we don't want to disturb them in their natural habitat. Try that on, and then when you get the strap over, we'll pull these evenly on each side. That way you get a good fit. Gotcha.
Oh, there.
Over here.
You pop up again? Oh, yeah.
Barely.
Picture that.
How's it going?
Fine. There's water coming out of it.
So look at me.
Bring in, Mom. Oh, yeah. There you go. Farther back, yeah. We're right on the shore.
Yeah, right there.
Oh, that is so cool.
There they are. Look at them go. Look at the fish jump.
Oh, they're jumping.
Yeah, they are.
Well, the fish are jumping.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The fish are like, get out of here.
Dolphins just stick their mouths open, just stick out. I love that.
That was pretty cool.
That was awesome.
So what we're going to be looking for, guys, is a nose that pops up to take a breath. A behavior we call logging. Manatees absorb the heat on their backs, so they come up and they just kind of hang out on the top of the surface. They're sleeping. So they just hang there and kind of bob, and it looks like a log in the water, so they call it logging.
Oh, there's one right there. He just came up.
Oh, yeah.
I was excited.
I'm excited.
We're whispering from now on.
Whisper. See, dunk it once. Just the mask. You don't want to put the other thing in there.
I did that on accident.
You did that on accident. It's okay. It's just like soapy. This is so cool. I've already seen dolphins, manatees all over the place.
Skip. Yeah, there you go. So just let go and just sit like that. Get used to the temperature of the water. Just relax. Perfect. On your stomach. You want to just sit down.
got a manatee in his face.
They really like that rope, don't they?
They're basically teething their entire lives. So they're creating new molars.
They don't take very long breath.
When we breathe in and out, we on average exchange about 15% of the oxygen in our lungs. Every breath they take is like 85 to 90%.
We've been farted on.
Thank you for watching. We'd love to share our journey with you, so hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so you know when a new video is uploaded. And don't forget to leave your comments down below and hit the like button.